DaFox. If it's your first visit, my name is Paul, and no, I don't normally sport a mustache. I'm just showing cause for Movember. That said, the channel is all about Mustangs, mostly Fox body, but there is some Cobra content as well. So if you like my content, don't forget to smash the subscribe button. All right, so for today's video, we're gonna be doing a dyno giveaway. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you the final pull from our dyno session. Then I'm gonna ask you guys to comment below what you think the car made. And just to clarify, I'm asking just for rear wheel horsepower, not torque or boost level. From there, we'll release the numbers and announce the winner on our live stream this Thursday, November 18th at 8 p.m. So don't forget to join us there. Other than that, let's have a look at the last pull. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and watching that last pull. Don't forget to drop in your comment, and of course, join us on our live stream this Thursday, November 18th at 8 p.m. Lastly, I want to give a huge shout out to the PSP team and to Ernie, tunedbyEAZY, for making this day happen. I really appreciate everything you guys have done for me. I also appreciate all you guys watching my videos. You guys know what to do. Smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you again here on Paul the Fox.